In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the Instagram music length on your stories. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to swipe to the right on the screen to take me to the stories camera. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a quick photo. Okay, so once I've taken a quick photo, I'm going to tap on the stickers icon there to add the music sticker. Tap on the music sticker and then you want to search for your song and add it. I'll just add this top one for an example. Okay, so once you're on the screen, you'll notice a little circle with a number 15 in it. If you tap on that, that's going to choose the duration of the music. So you can choose between 5 seconds all the way up to 15 seconds. So if you only want the music to play for, let's say, 8 seconds, you can do that and then tap on done. But the only problem with this is that that option is only available if you selected an image. If you went out of the camera and then I just discard this and then record a video real quick, and then you tap on the stickers option and then tap on music, add a song, you will notice that that option isn't available for you to choose from. So in order to change the music length on Instagram, you will have to be using an image. If you want to use a video with music, you will have to use an external third-party video editor, and I will be doing a video on that. So if you want that, drop a comment down below. But that would be the process of how you change the length of Instagram music on your stories. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.